Okay, good morning, everyone. We are going to continue our discussion and we are going to move on to chapter 3, master data and document handling. I assume that everyone was able to log in now with our um, Fit portal. May I see some thumbs up there or comment if nadan na nato ang atong Fit portal? Naka-login na ta as well as the class code. 'Di ba nahatag na nako ang class code, guys? Your class code is HT3T. Tama ba? Nahatag na ba nako sa inyo?
Wala pa ma'am, karon pa ni hatag ma'am.
Okay. So your class code is HT3T. So you have to log in with your class code HT3T. Okay, um once you are done with entering with your class code, you can download na the materials and log in with through the link. So I will discuss muna chapter 3, the theory of what is a master data and how to handle documents. So one of the basic ano natin one of the basic documents no for us to start with our ERP is to encode this master data, no, because we use this master data as an important document as we move on to make some invoices, mga purchase orders, no, and this is one of the initial document that can be created from ERP. No, for let's say for example, you want to purchase some item. Before you purchase an item, you have to input the item in the system and as well as mga supplier information to the system. So, muna siya yung master data. Now, master data includes una, customer and supplier. Okay, so all documents or all data describing the business partner, no? Kinsa to atong customer, kinsa ang mga supplier. So that's one that is included in the master data. So let's say taga-asa sila, who are the contact person, their names, no, their um uh mga address, ganun, ana. And description. Yes. No? As well as descriptions of items. So, di ba, kunwari na nag-operate ta, daghan ta og mga ginakip nga inventory. So, kato atong mga ginapamalit as well as what are the items that we manufacture. No, so that's included in master data. So, any item, computer, laptop, mga tables, chairs, um, anything no that is used in manufacturing, no, any item no na that we use, and tanang GL accounts that can be used to post our transactions is part of the master data. Now it's important that we were able to input this master data because dili ta ka log in no or ka proceed to the next if wala ta naka create sa master data. So, dili ta kaadto sa mga documents like purchase order, AP voucher, or item receipt if wala tay master data. So again, on sa third type of master data, number one is customer. So it describes the people or organization kung kinsa ta naga-sell sa atong product and service, no? So, through the customer master data, makita na to ang processing and fulfilling of orders. No, number two, supplier data. So, kinsa man tong mga ginasupplyan nato sa I mean, uh naga-supply sa tua, no? People or organization from which your corporation buys products. So, sa ilahata naga purchase, so they are the ones who uh, give us the products. So, kung na supplier data, related ana is mga activities is payable, no? Kabayaran man nato ang mga supplier, delivery and processing of payments. And also yun na, item master data. So sa item, we use this, no, to create sales order, purchase orders or bills of materials as long as or any activities or movement of goods, no? So yun. So sa master data na ay mga tabs, no? The header nga part, nakita na to ang type, name, business, general and customer address, payment, accounting tab, and accounting tab tax. So siguro ato ang i-enter muna. Sige, going back. So login muna ta. So Fit Portal Academy.